Peace and love, peeps. Something came over me that I had to address. I'm talking about that whole Nick Cannon affair. It don't sit right with me. Nick, I support you, yes. But man, I'm not feeling that apology at all. Anytime you start apologizing for telling the truth, you never stop. I don't agree with that at all. Not for speaking the truth. Everything you said was on point. So why apologize? When you apologize, you empower these people. They feel like they puppet masters. And you dance to their tune. I rock with you, Nick. I rock with you. But that apology was out of line. That was a show of weakness, brother. Now, I know you was trying to do the right thing, but you're a millionaire. I know you got family and staff that you worry about. But you got the power. You got the power, Nick. You got the power. Now, they're going after Charlemagne for speaking up for you. Charlemagne the God is under attack right now by the same people. You say you own the rights to your material, but you never signed any contract. It's not about what you say, it's what you can prove. I rock with you, Nick. And as long as you stay on solid ground, we backing you up. Because you are a brother. But the minute you show weakness and apologize, you're taking on that slave role, man. And what I mean by that slave role is whenever you can't speak your mind, brother, and say what's in your heart, and you speaking the truth, they got you. You're a slave. That's why I advocate and others advocate getting your own platform. Stand on your own 2 feet. Take the power out their hands. Get your own. We'll support you. We love you, brother. We'll support you. But stand on your own 2 feet. These people don't love nothing but money. All of that come here and kumbaya and we'll work with you, Nick, and we love you, Nick, and this and that. That's bull, man. The minute you interfere with their money, the minute you say something that they don't like, it could be true, but because they don't like it, your ass is out. It is what it is. Understand who you're dealing with. Understand the elements around you. See what happened to others that came before you. And know that it could happen to you too. You know different. Take heed. Create your own platforms. Own your own materials. I know they could be persuasive in those boardrooms and those meetings and, oh, Nick, we got you. Don't worry about that. We're going to handle everything. This and that, this and that. Put a little front money your way. You think they're okay, this and that, this and that. While you making peanuts, they making so much more. That's the way they play the game. It's nothing new. Nothing you never heard of before. But something you fell victim to. So now you have to ask yourself, what's your next move? But when you move like a tactician. Don't move like no sheep. Move like a lion. Don't get on your knees, man. We're not going to tolerate all that, man. Weakness will not be tolerated, brother. Stand up like a man. Face up like a man. Don't apologize when you're right. As far as you saying things that hurt them, man, they've been saying things that hurt us for years. Hundreds of years. They're no special than we are. Don't treat them like they are. If they don't respect you or respect us, then we don't show them no respect. Your honor is all that you have, brother. Money is one thing, but honor is another. Without honor, all the money in the world don't mean nothing. Never relinquish your honor. Never relinquish your honor. Don't play that slave role. Don't get into that slave mindset and that mentality. We are not that. We go hard when we have to. Use your mind. Talk to your lawyers. And do what you have to do. Check your options. And do what you need to do. And if you see that you can't win the war, revisit your tactics. Change up. Create another platform someplace else. Learn from your mistakes. Create another show. Show them you're versatile, brother. Show them that you're much more than what they thought you was. Prove to them that they can't stop you. Show them that they made a mistake. Not you. They did. But what you won't do is show weakness, man. Weakness will not be tolerated, man. This is a new day. We're not eating crumbs off of nobody's table. We're creating our own table today. Peace and love, brother. Stay strong. I support you, Nick Cannon. Stay strong, bro.